Are you frustrated? Are you frustrated? Are you frustrated, huh? Oh, are you frustrated? Yeah. Oh, you're mad you're stuck in here, huh? While your brother's eating. But it's because you always push him out of the way. So we let him have a little head start before you go. But you're not happy, huh? Come on. Come on, little man. Oh, that feels good. Okay. He's on the move. He's gonna go push him off. There are 2 of them and 10 teats, but they want the same one. He's pushing him. It's a good boy, Silver. Don't let him. He's trying to go under. See, there's one right in front of his face, but he doesn't want that one. He wants the one his brother has. Yep, he steps on his brother and pushes him off and oh, I think he's got one now. Good boy, Silver. He's getting really strong. So it's not very easy for Gold to push him off now.